Good afternoon, this is McKayla Tennyson with grain commentary for the week ending October 11th. Markets traded both sides this week, with corn finishing up 10 cents, soybeans finishing up 18 cents, and wheat finishing up 16 cents. Early on this week, everything was higher as forecasts were calling for cold weather and snow across the Dakotas and western Minnesota. The soybean market found support from this as beans are now under snow, with more snow forecasted for the weekend. There was a USDA supply and demand report released on Thursday morning. There was some sell-off in the corn market as the USDA report was more neutral than bullish or bearish. Corn ending stocks dropped down to 1.929 billion bushels, and the estimated yield was set at 168.4 bushels per acre, which is slightly up from last month. Corn was lower on Thursday, but then bounced back again on Friday. This report was a friendly one for soybeans. Soybean carryout came out to be smaller than expected, dropping to 640 million bushels to 460 million bushels. USDA yield for soybeans was set at 46.9 bushels per acre. Soybeans closed relatively even on Thursday, but then had some strength again on Friday. Wheat tried to be higher early Thursday morning before the report came out, but then sold off as carryout got an increase of 29 million bushels. There are some standing wheat fields up in North Dakota in the snow, leaving spring wheat harvest at 91% complete. Winter wheat planting is said to be at about 54% complete. Wheat was back up on Friday. Trade talks also resumed with China this week, with President Trump saying that talks went very good on Thursday. Export sales for corn were poor this week, 52% behind last year's pace. Soybean exports were strong, but still down 20% from last year. And wheat exports were stronger than needed, up 16% from last year's pace. Thanks for listening to this week's grain market recap, and have a great weekend.